In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore MetaMask lost access without a seed phrase. If you're trying to get back into your MetaMask wallet, it's important to know that the recovery method depends on how the wallet was originally set up. In some cases, access can be restored easily. In other cases, the options are much more limited. So let's go through the safe and legitimate ways to recover access. First, open MetaMask on your new device and choose the option that says I have an existing wallet. Before assuming the wallet is gone, check whether you originally signed in using Google, Apple, or Telegram. If you did, select that same sign-in method again and use the same account you used before. Then enter your MetaMask password. If everything matches, your associated wallet should be restored automatically. This is one of the easiest recovery paths, so it's always worth checking first. If that doesn't apply, the next situation is if you still have access to MetaMask on another device. In that case, do not uninstall the app and do not reset the wallet. Keeping that access intact is extremely important. Open the existing wallet, then go into settings and find the security section where you can manage wallet recovery. From there, reveal your secret recovery phrase using your current password. Once it appears, write it down somewhere secure and private. After that, you can use that phrase to restore the wallet on another device. This is the safest way to regain access if one device still works. Now, if you forgot your password, but you do still have your secret recovery phrase, open or install MetaMask and again choose I have an existing wallet. Then select the option to import using secret recovery phrase. Enter the 12-word phrase in the exact correct order, create a new password, and continue. Once that's done, your wallet should be restored. If you have neither the secret recovery phrase nor access to the original wallet, then unfortunately, there is no legitimate way to bypass recovery for a traditional MetaMask wallet. Be very careful here. Do not trust websites, apps, or individuals claiming they can recover your wallet for a fee. And never share your secret recovery phrase or private key with anyone, even if they claim to be support. One last thing to check is whether the missing account was an imported account. If it was added using a private key, a JSON file, or another recovery phrase, restoring your main wallet will not automatically bring that account back. In that case, you'll need the original private key, the JSON file and password, or the specific recovery phrase